In this video, we'll be looking at ENGAA 2020, Section 1, Question 40. So, we're asked to find the maximum value of the curve's gradient. This is our curve here. Y equals 2 minus 4x plus 4x to the 3 over 2 minus x squared, with x being larger than 0. So what is going to be our first step to answering this? Well, we're going to need to find the gradient of the curve. That's our first point of call. How can we find an expression for the gradient using the equation we have here? Well, we're going to need to differentiate it. That'll give us our gradient equation. So take a minute and see if you can work out what a differentiated version of this is going to be. So here's our answer. All we're going to do is times the coefficient of x by whatever the power of x is, and then decrease the power of x by 1. So we've got minus 4 plus 6x to the power of a half minus 2x. So this is our gradient equation. Where do we go from there? What's our next step? We're trying to find the maximum value, so we have to maximize this gradient. So how do we do that? Well, we need to set the derivative of our equation, the new one we just have, to 0. So what we're going to do, we're going to have to differentiate again. So we're going to have to find d squared y over dx squared. So have a go at differentiating this again. So our equation this time is going to be 3x to the minus a half minus 2. And now to maximise it, we just have to set it to 0. So this is going to be our new equation. We can add 2 to both sides to get 2 equals 3x to the minus a half, divide by 3, and then our answer is 9 over 4 equals x. X is 9 over 4. So that's the x value at which our gradient is at its maximum. So there's one final step we need to do to find our maximum value, and that is to substitute our x value at which the gradient is maximum into the actual equation we worked out for the gradient. So we know that x is 9 over 4, and we know this is our gradient equation. What is going to be our answer? Well, it's going to be minus 4 plus 6 times 3 over 2, take away 18 over 4, which is minus 4 plus 9 minus 4.5, or 0.5. That is our maximum value. And so our answer is C.